the 2009 Volkswagen Jetta. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 30,000-mile mark. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter, four-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a split folding rear seat, heated seats, power moonroof, turn signal indicator mirrors, and cruise control. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Volkswagen ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Come down today and see this vehicle for yourself. Call now to schedule a test drive.